Hello there and welcome back to my videos. In this video I'll show how you can change your dynamic IP from dhcp on the Debian 10 and set it to the static IP so it's not get changed every single time you reboot your machine or the dhcp server want to change your IP address. So the first we want to do is go inside to our machine. I'm working in my sandbox mode, so I have a Debian 10 sandbox. You can see here I have creating in Hyper-V, and then we need to go for the super user, the root, and let's log inside here. And now we are logged in as a root. And the next thing we want to do now is open the network interface. So you go into etc and network, and then the interfaces. Down here you have your primary network interface, this one, and it's probably setting to dhcp, and you only need to change it to static. And when you have it to static, you can go down and say what address you need. In this case I want the same IP address, so I need this one, and whoops, the 24, it's my network area. You can remove it if you want, but I have it, so I'm sure. And then we need the gateway, and I know my gateway is this IP address, and that's it. Let's reboot the server, and the connection is closed, and just a little bit time, then my virtual machine, it's up and running again. I can just see on my second screen here. And let's see about we are up and running again. And we are running, and you can say cat etc networks and then the interface. And you can see this and IP address show, and we are up and running here on the right one. And let's see about, we have the connections outside the house and it's perfectly running. We can ping Google, so everything is fine. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoy, and this is how you can change your IP address on Debian 10, and how you can change it to static IP from dhcp. I hope you will subscribe to my channel, give it a like if you like this video, and of course add it for your playlist. It's completely free, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much, and thank you for subscribing. Hope to see you next time. Bye.